All right, so what we're gonna start with is these two Dollar Tree trays that I picked up. I think I scored these trays because they're oversized and they had a sticker for $5 on the bottom of them, so I was really excited to find them. Next, I'm gonna be reusing these old table mats. I'm gonna actually be using the opposite side of them. I'm gonna be also using some black paint, and we need some wood stain. And last but not least, I have this leftover rope from another project that I did. This rope can also be found at Dollar Tree. Alright, so what I'm going to do is start off by painting one of the trays black. I'm going to paint all of the outside and all of the inside. You can choose to leave the center of it not painted. I went ahead and skipped that step. Before we move any further, I am going to go ahead and cut out both placemats to fit inside of each tray. Now that my paint is dry, I'm going to go ahead and start hot gluing the placemat in place. You can use any glue that you have on hand. If you have super glue, if you have E6000 will work great as well. And then now let's go ahead and style it. You can really style a tray any way that you want. These are items that I already had on hand. FYI, these stands are from Target. They might still have them in some locations. One good trick that I like to add some height to any vase, you can always stuff it with newspaper or trash bags. All right, and that's how this turned out. I also went ahead and put a little simple look together for you as well. This tray is super cute, super simple. With the next tray, I am gonna go ahead and just stain this with this wood stain. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same process as the last tray. I'm gonna just stain the entire outside and inside of the tray. You can choose to leave the center how it is, or you can stain it. After I let that sit for about 10 minutes, I took an old cloth and I started to clean off any excess wood stain. Alright, and now to that rope from Dollar Tree. I went ahead and taped the edges and unwrapped it. And then I'm going to go ahead and just wrap this around the handles of my tray, and then I'm going to hot glue it in place. And then you want to repeat this on the other handle. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my other mat and hot glue this in place as well. And this is how it turned out. I think it's super cute. It adds a very chic look to any space. I went ahead and just put this in my bathroom to hold some essentials together. I feel like trays really just make any space look more organized. It's a really good way to decorate any spot of your house as well. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.